हामीलाई धेरै खुसी छु तपाईहरु धेरै खुसी हुनुहुन्छ जतिजना एक्टिभर हुनुहुन्छ तपाईहरुलाई देखेर म धेरै खुसी छु तपाईहरुको हरेकको निधारमा जतिजनाले आज स्टार जेलको पिल लिनु भयो तपाई स्टार जेलको निधारमा पनि डायमन्ड टल्किएको छ सबैजना स्टारलाई जोरदार ताली दिनुस् कि उहाँको लागि र हामी साच्चै पनि अहिले मलाई यस्तो भइरहेको छ कि म लाग्छ म नेपालमा छैन मलाई यस्तो महसुस भइरहेको छ कि म मलेसियामा छैन म नेपालमा छु किनभने जुन प्रोग्राम जुन रिकग्नाइजेसन यस्तो जुन प्रकारको यो गतिविधि नेपालमा गरियो भने यति धेरै नेपाली हुँदैनौँ जब मलेसियामा हामी यति धेरै नेपाली छौँ तपाईहरुको लागि सबैजनाको लागि जोरदार ताली कृपया आशा छ आगामी दिनमा जसरी आज मैले क्राउन डायमन्डको पिन लिएको छु त्यसरी नै तपाईहरुले पनि आगामी दिनमा यो जित तपाईको हुनेछ तपाईहरु सबैजनाको जित हुनेछ आगामी दिनमा पनि धेरै जना क्राउनहरूले हामीले पिन लिनेछौँ मलाई आशा छ र आगामी दिनमा तपाईहरुले पनि यो जोश जाँगर कति पनि नहटाइकन नबढाइकन अगाडि बढ्नुहोस् निरन्तरता दिनुहोस् जित तपाईको हुनेछ धन्यवाद धन्यवाद धन्यवाद
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi.早晨. So first of all, I would like to say a very good thank you to our management to arrange today 26th anniversaries. This is a very good event whereby we celebrate every year and then we have the chance to come on stage every year. Thank you very much, Dixon. Today we are being graced with all the award. Start from Star Agent. Where are the Star Agent? You are greater than us because you have to wait until the last. Please be patient. Where are the Star Rubies? And where are the Star Diamond? Don't worry. One day we will come over here. Are you coming here? Yes. Because DXN is built on a system whereby this system is for the success people. Do you agree with me? We build on a system whereby everyone can achieve the success. In order to be success people, first of all, we must throw away all the excuses. We don't need excuses to be success. We need to throw all the excuses out from our mind. It's very, very important. After we clear off all our successes, with all the excuses thrown out of our mind, we need to find a way out. In order to become a diamond, you need to have a 6SA. In order to become a crown diamond, you need to produce 10 diamonds. In order to become our great crown ambassador here, you need to produce 20 diamonds. This is the way we need to find out. After we find out, we need to find all the way until getting. The success is built is for success people. Why we say so? We will be success one day. Because there's a lot of crown ambassadors sitting in front of us. First of all, we welcome very much our guest speaker here, come from India. Crown Ambassador, please give a round of applause to our Crown Ambassador from India. Of course, we have our world first Crown Ambassador from Indonesia, Papa Budiman. Give a clap to Papa Budiman. Not forgetting our first